And then you have to see. Okay. Yeah.
Ano pang kanta? Dansa.
Can you tell us which one is the real thing? After number 1 ba? Number 2 or number 3? Okay, then number 2. Guys, is she right? Yes, right. So, palakpakan natin si Jab. Before you go, let me show you the other items that you built. Okay, item number 1. May idea ka ba? Yes, right. What? With all the stars. Item number 2 si Leia. And item number 3, yung hindi kayo napili.
Ang galing!
This day, the great thing. It's only a toy. This is like, kung gusto mo yun, ano ko siya.